Hey friends, it's Emily at Art with Albright. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be drawing this baby seal called Pup. So grab a paper, grab a pencil, and let's get started in this new year. How exciting to be drawing with you in 2020. What exciting artistic dreams do you have for this year, guys? What do you want? Okay, so the seal head is basically a circle. So as light as you can, draw a little circle right in the middle of your paper. Okay, and then below that, we're going to go straight below it. Even though the seal is tilted, we're going to draw a circle below that. It can be just a little bit smaller. And mine are sloppy. We're going to be erasing them, right? We just use them to block in our shape, block in our character, right? Go ahead, erase the stuff in between. Go ahead and erase that. And anytime you need, hit the pause. You can hit pause. You ever want to have more drawings with me than what you see here on YouTube, go to thiskeepdrawing.com. For a very small fee, you can draw so many crazy things with me, like my foster dog on a hot Houston day. Look at that. Or a cute little donkey from my mom and dad's farm. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, I have a student that wanted a prairie dog. They have a prairie dog as a pet. And guess what? One student wanted Waffle Dude, okay? We have a whole dude collection of food. We even have a baby Yoda collection going on in our live classes. So check that out at artwithalbright.com. Now, the baby seal is tilted. We're going to go right to the middle of the face. That's where we're going to put the nose, but let's tilt it. So go at an angle, draw your line at an angle, and then let's pull the nose down. Let's round this nose out. I'm trying to think how I want this shape to be. Let's round it out like the letter U. Straight on top, letter U. How's that? Do you like that idea? And then let's put a little reflective dash in there. Little reflective spot. We want to let our audience know there's a little bit of light beaming off of him. He is just out in the sun enjoying that weather, right? We all enjoy when that sun is shining. Let's see here in 2020, what is going to be shining in your life? What are you going to be enjoying? Oh, I have new watercolors, guys. I'm going to be enjoying painting Baby Yoda with watercolors. Now I'm going to pull the letter J out here. This is going to create that mouth, but also give him a little fat cheek right there. What do you say? You want a fat cheek right there? Let's do that on the other side too, but let's go opposite. The letter J backwards. What? How do you do that? That's crazy. I love it. I love it. Do you guys have fun with that? I have fun doing fun creatures off of movies, and I love creating our very own Pizza Dude, or we even have Dragon Time in my live classes, drawing all kinds of wonderful dragons. You got to check it out. Now you have the nose and mouth. He's squinting because he's so happy that you are drawing with me for the first of this year. You're starting out very, very smart, very smart drawing, okay? Building your skills, enjoying yourself. Let's give him some little eyebrows. There we go. Little dash marks for eyebrows. Now his whiskers are going to have to wait till the end. Why? Because we want to be able to shade this. We want to be able to give him some texture. And right now we're just building our character, right? So let's start at the top and let's do some fur. Let's give him some texture. Do some zigzags all the way down. Let's just do this top circle, okay? Just follow that circle around, giving him some really good texture. Look at that. That is one happy pup, right? A little baby seal. Oh, it's just so cute. Now here, I'm going to go ahead and connect this right here. So watch me do this. Instead of going into this curve, I'm going to follow this. Watch your zigzags. Watch them going around, and I'm going to stop right in the middle. Okay, go ahead and do that, and then grab your eraser and get rid of this little circle over here, because that's where his body's going to go. We want to, my dog collection is going to grow, so if you have a dog you'd like me to draw, please let me know below. You know, I always have some kind of foster dog in my house, and we have to draw that foster dog. So you go ahead and let me know what dog you'd like to draw. Now we're going to pull the body back. Go ahead and just rough sketch that real light, because when we add texture, we want to be able not to see those underlines, okay? Under this line right here where the face is, I'm going to come down, drop down, and we're going to have his fin, his little leg down here, okay? Pull 2 lines back. The direction would be going back, okay? Erase the line in between. You're doing excellent. Look at you, doing excellent. I'm going to give you a thumbs up. You are doing awesome. Woohoo! Now back here, I'm going to curve out a giant letter C. Look at this, a giant letter C right there. You got that? Okay, now let's go in and shape this better. So instead of a straight line here, I'm going to curve that and connect to that C. You like that? Okay, we use that line to help guide us. Now let's put some little fingers in here, or toes. I'm not quite sure what those are. Fingers, toes. Have you ever played with a seal? I played with a sea lion out at SeaWorld one time, and a beluga whale. Ooh, I like beluga whales. And what's on your bucket list? What have you ever pet or played with, or what do you want to play with? Now back here, I am going to put a triangle to mark where I want his other flipper. We're going to call them flippers for this lesson, okay? Back here, it's going to be smaller because it's further away. Instead of going down that straight line, I'm going to curve out. Okay, let's give it a little bit of a movement line. And then we're going to curve up and give them those little fingers. Okay, curve up, curve up, curve up, just like that. You see how we did that? That is cool. Look at you. You are doing awesome. Awesome. This is excellent. Now for the rest of the pup, we're just going to put texture on him. Okay, did we name this little guy yet? I don't think we've named him. What would you like to name him? Let me know. I might use that name for my next foster puppy. What? Yes, I need names, guys. If you have any clever names, you let me know. I'm always looking for a name for my foster babies. So for his back flipper, we just want to do a nice big arch, and then a smaller one back here because objects further away are smaller. What do you think? Do you like this little guy? Now let's give him a horizon line so that we can tell our audience where this guy is on the page. Let's also anchor him to the ground with a little shadow. Okay, I think the sun is shining. That's why he's smiling, that you're here in his sunshine and you're drawing on this beautiful day with him. He is so happy. Let's also pretend that the light is coming down from the right, because that's where my lamp is, right? And we want to have a little shadow on his face and down his back, just right here, because his head is casting a little shadow onto his body, and maybe one on this little fin and on his belly. Where else would be a little shadow? Back here where there's some overlapping and furthest away from the light source. Yeah, you guys are so good. I hope you've enjoyed drawing this little guy with me today. And of course, if you have a Stomp, grab that. If not, all this is like tissue paper or Kleenex or even toilet paper, guys. Toilet paper in emergency works for everything, right? So use that, roll it up, or just cover your finger and just blend this and get that smooth feel going on your artwork. This is beautiful, guys. You have done amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Thank you for your ideas, some dog names, some even dogs that you want to draw. I'm going to sign my, oh, you know what we forgot before we sign? Whiskers! You guys are going to let me get away with no whiskers. Look at that. Guys, I love drawing with you. I hope you have a great day. God bless.